An electric bell is a very simple electric device that consists of a power source, a switch, an interrupter, a soft iron strip with a hammer at its end, an electromagnet, and a metal gong. Let us see in slow motion how the electric bell works. When the switch is turned on, the circuit is completed and electricity flows through the electromagnet. The electromagnet attracts the soft iron strip and the hammer strikes the gong. As soon as the soft iron strip gets attracted to the electromagnet, it no longer touches the interrupter and the circuit is broken. When the circuit breaks, there is no current through the coil and the electromagnet can no longer attract the soft iron strip. The spring-loaded strip goes back to its initial position. As the soft iron strip again makes contact with the interrupter, the circuit is again completed and the same steps go on and on as long as the switch is on.